Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and today we're going to be talking about the strange noises that I heard, probably about a month ago now. This is a follow-up video on the other video I did on this. I realized the other video was fairly boring, the story was a little too long and pointless, but if you want to go see that, go check that out. I'll have a link for the video at the end of this video, and make sure you go check that out. But anyways, in this video I'm going to be talking about them some more, talking about some information I found online, as well as obviously I'm showing these pictures. These are just random pictures, but I'm also going to be playing the sounds that I heard myself, as well as some sounds that other people have heard, so you guys can get a chance to hear those yourselves. And we'll get right into this video, and we'll start off by discussing what these are, and then we'll go into the videos. So I'll start talking about that then. Okay, so the information that I found about this is that most people just call them strange sounds or trumpets. So if you're going to look for them on YouTube, search something around that style of wording. But these sounds actually started back in 2008, and people are still hearing them today. And there's videos all over the internet about them, but nobody actually knows where they're coming from. The noises can actually vary in intensity, some resembling something like a loud engine or a rumbling, and some can even sound like slamming a metallic door or even a lightning strike. And some others are more like groaning, it says on this website. I've heard all of those kinds of sounds coming from all of these videos that I was looking at. They all seem pretty real, but I'm sure most of them are hoaxes. Mine is not a hoax. It's fine if you guys don't believe me, but it's real. I didn't believe it myself until I heard it. If you wanted to know where these were actually happening, they can be heard around the US, the UK, all over Europe, Canada, New Zealand, and Australia. The website I'm reading this off of is strangesounds.org. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. strangesounds.org/strange-sounds. So make sure you go check out this website. I'm not reading it word for word, but I am getting my information off of this website. Yeah, but it says nobody knows what the strange sounds are, and the weird noises have gotten a lot of controversy and stuff. You can get people trying to say that it's the government doing it, all the way to the it's an alien invasion or the apocalypse or the end of the world. That's a lot of religion where that's coming from. Or stuff like the Heart Project. If you don't know what that is, I recommend you go watch it on a YouTube video. It's some experiment the US government is doing. I think it was a long time ago though, so I'm not sure if they're still doing it. But that's pretty much all there is to know about these. They can be heard from all over the place. Nobody knows where they're coming from. They can sound so different depending on where you are. They typically happen around from 6 to 2 in the morning. By 6 I mean 6 p.m. to 2 in the morning, 2 a.m. Yeah, make sure you go check out that website. I didn't get all of the information from there. Some I got from other YouTube videos that I watched. And yeah, it's really interesting how these work, or how people think they happen. It's a lot of religion stuff and then conspiracy theories. But anyways, guys, let's get into listening to these sounds. I'll play a bunch of other sounds that people have heard, and then I'll play my own that I recorded here at my house in Canada. I'll play the one that I captured myself at the end of the video. So I won't talk for this video. I might talk in between a little, but I'll show you guys mine at the end. So I'll see you then. Okay, now that one was interesting because I've never heard one like that. That's the only one I've heard like that sounds like that one. I think that one might be fake, but it's still interesting. So let's get right into the third one, and then maybe we'll do a fourth, and then the fifth one will be mine. Okay, now that one was really weird. Again, never heard one like that before. I think that one was in Russia. But that was a really weird one. It could be real, but that one didn't seem very real, but I can't really judge them because I'm sure you guys are saying mine isn't very real, but it is. I know it is real. I don't care what you guys think, so let's get into the fourth one, then we'll listen to mine. That one was really interesting because that one was filmed in Eastern Canada. I live in Western Canada, and it sounded very closely related to mine. The video I have, we're gonna listen to one that's even closer to where I live, and we're gonna see how close it sounds to the one video I have, and I think it might actually be based on where you live. So I should probably take back all of the things I said about the ones that I said were fake, because it's probably depending on where you live, because they do sound different, and let's see if this one sounds like mine, and then we can prove that they sound different depending where you are. Okay, so the reason this one is very interesting is because this proves that it depends on where you live. Because this place is really close to where I live. It's probably about 20 kilometers away, within that range. So it's very close. So I'm going to go ahead and play my video, and you'll see how close this one is compared to mine. So let's go right into that. Okay guys, first off, yes, I realized there was construction in the background. Somebody mentioned this in my other video, and I promise you, it's not the construction making the noise. It's never made that noise before. I know it's these strange trumpet sounds coming out of the sky, but that sounded really similar to the last video, which actually, I would say, confirms that the last video we heard was real, and that these sounds are regional, based on where you live. So let's play my favorite part of mine one more time, just like how I did in the last video, and then I'll let you guys go. And if you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, share this with your friends, and have a great day. Enjoy this last